Hello everyone, this is Native Man. In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve this algebra equation with square root. So we have this one, square root of 2 raised to 2x minus 8 is equal to 1 over 256. So how to solve this algebra equation, we will discuss it step by step. Okay, so this is one way to solve this algebra equation with square root. First, we are going to simplify this left side of equal sign, square root of 2 raised to 2x minus 8, applying the rule of exponent and radical. So we have this one, mth root of a raised to n can be written as a raised to n over m. All you have to do is divide the exponent by the index. Okay, so go back here. So this is square root, meaning to say, when you say square root, the index is 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. Okay, the index is 2. Then the exponent is 2x minus 8. Okay, so the whole exponent is 2x minus 8. So next, we're going to copy the base 2. And then the exponent here is 2x minus 8 divided by the index 2. So 2x minus 8 divided by 2. And then just copy the right side of equation 1 over 256. So divide this one. In dividing two terms by one term, we are going to divide the first term by the divisor and the second term by the divisor. Okay, so this will become 2 raised to, what is 2x divided by 2? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1x or just x. So x minus, the second term is 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so minus 4. So 2 raised to x minus 4. Then just copy again 1 over 256. Okay, so we simplified already the square root here. Next is we are going to remove this fractional part. How? By using cross multiplication. So we all know that this 2 raised to x minus 4, the denominator is 1. Okay? So because there is no denominator, automatic the denominator is 1. So by cross multiply, we multiply 2 raised to x minus 4 by 256. I'm going to write it here. Times 256. Then multiply denominator and the numerator. What is 1 times 1? That is equal to 1. Okay? So 2 raised to x minus 4 times 256 is equal to 1. Next, the base of the exponential form here is 2. So we're going to rewrite 256 that the base is 2. So how? This will become 2 raised to x minus 4 times 256 in exponential form is 2 raised to 8. Then, okay, notice that the base here are both 2. We're going to write 1 that the base is 2, or we rewrite 1 in exponential form that the base is 2. So this become 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, or any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So notice here that all the base are equal, the same 2. Next is we are going to simplify first this one. 2 raised to x minus 4 times 2 raised to 8. The same base, all you have to do, if the same base, we are going to add the exponent. So copy the base 2. Then the exponent here is x minus 4. Then we add 8. So add the exponent, x minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 2 raised to 0. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. So 2 raised to x minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 2 raised to 0. According to the rule, if the base are equal, then the exponent also are equal. So since the base are equal, the same 2, then we are going to equate the exponent. X minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay? So x minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. This is to solve for the variable x. Okay? We are going to add negative 4 plus 8 is equal to positive 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then simplify to solve for x. This is plus 4. So minus 4. Then minus 4 sa right side. Okay? So this will become, we are going to cancel this one. So remaining here is x is equal to 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So x is equal to negative 4. So the value of x here in our equation is negative 4. So I'm going to write it here. x is equal to negative 4, we're going to check if our answer is correct. Okay, so let's check if our answer is correct. X is equal to negative 4. So we just substitute negative 4 here in variable x in our equation. So square root of 2 raised to 2x minus 8. So 2 times negative 4 minus 8 because x is negative 4. So we substitute here. So 2 times negative 4 minus 8 is equal to 1 over 256. So to simplify, 2 raised to, what is 2 times negative 4? Negative 8. And negative 8 minus 8 is negative 16. So the exponent is negative 16 is equal to 1 over 256. Since our exponent is negative, we are going to write it in positive form. So how? So make it in a fraction. It will become 1 over 2 raised to 16. So negative exponent will become positive exponent is equal to 1 over 256. So the rule in squaring a fraction is that we can separate the square root. So can be square root of 1. What is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1 divided by what is square root of 2 raised to 16? Again, this is the rule. Okay, just divide the exponent by the index. So the exponent here is 16 and the index is 2. So what is 16 divided by the index 2? That is 8. So this become 2 raised to 8 is equal to 1 over 256. So rewrite 2 raised to 8 in whole number. So this become 1 over 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. So notice here, 1 over 256 is equal to 1 over 256. So mean to say, that is check or that is correct. Therefore, the value of x equal to negative 4 is correct. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, then please click like. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more video lesson. So I'm going to present many short videos about simplifying, solving, and discussing new concepts of mathematics.